If you are in need of a really good wedding guest dress for the spring and summer, I've got so many incredible pieces to show you guys. A lot of these would also work really well for a graduation. So if you're interested in any of these, I'll have them all linked down below in the description box. You can also find them in the blog post that will be pinned in the comments, where I'll also include my sizes and any other accessories that I show you guys. I'm 5'2" just for reference, but let's go ahead and jump on in. First up is this gorgeous dress from Petal & Pup, and this one actually makes me feel like a princess. It is so beautiful. I think it comes in a couple different colors, but I love this purple floral pattern. It has this really beautiful, almost like rose gold threading in it as well. I also do have a Petal & Pup discount code, which I will include in the description box, but this dress is seriously a showstopper if you're going to a nicer kind of formal wedding. This would be such a beautiful option. I love this little folded detail on the top as well. It honestly reminds me of the Princess Diaries dress, but it has such good movement in the skirt, really good thicker fabric, and it's just so stunning. This next dress is really gorgeous. I love the small blue floral print and then also this really gorgeous square neckline. It's a really flattering cut. I also love that it has this almost like fake boning in it, so it looks kind of like a corset style, but it's actually really comfortable. I also like these thicker straps. The dress is lined and it does have pockets, which is always a plus. I would wear this to a semi-formal, a little bit more casual wedding. It definitely leans a little bit more casual because it's like a lighter cotton material, but it's so pretty, especially if you're going to an outdoor spring or summer wedding. I think this is a really beautiful option, and it's also very lightweight and breathable. Next up is this really gorgeous silky dress. This would fall into the category of semi-formal or formal. It wouldn't be black tie necessarily because it still shows my ankles, but I think it's a really beautiful, elegant option. I love the asymmetrical design of the top, and then this off-shoulder piece right here is so stunning. I feel like it makes the dress feel very elegant, and you get that look of an off-shoulder moment without having to deal with the actual off-shoulder part, which is very annoying for pulling up constantly. So it's a very easy to wear dress. I will say that you'll probably want some kind of shapewear with it. It does have a lining to it, but because it's polyester, it just kind of clings a little bit, so you'll want some kind of shapewear underneath, but I think it is so stunning, and this top part just has the most elegant feel to it. Next up is this really beautiful tan, almost like gingham style dress, and I think this would go into more of the casual category for weddings, but I think it's a really beautiful option. It has pockets. I love the deep plunging neckline as well, but it still feels like it's covering you. I wore this for our daughter's first birthday, so it's a dress you can wear year-round, but if you're looking for a really good casual spring summer wedding guest dress, this is a great option. You can also wear it with heels or just like flat sandals. Dress it down. I just think it is so elegant though. I love the sleeves on it, and it's just a really beautiful dress. It moves really nicely, and it's cool for the spring and summer. Next up is this really beautiful green floral dress, and I love this shade of green. It's this really great olive green, and what's really fun about this is it has these pleats at the bottom which just add really good movement. I also love the way that it fits throughout the body. It has these really thin spaghetti straps, these little ruffles at the top as well, and just has really good movement. This is such a fun dress, would be a great dress to dance in, and I just am obsessed with this color and print. How stunning is this one? So this dress would obviously be for a formal wedding. It covers my feet, my ankles, and it's this beautiful blush pink, almost like pearlized finish. It is so pretty. It's from Petal & Pup as well, so my discount code will work for this one. But I love the way that it like comes in at the waist and then just has so much volume throughout the skirt. Has so much good movement as well. I just feel so elegant in this one. I also love this off-shoulder detail that has elastic, so it feels really secure, it's not going anywhere, and I feel like I can move around in it, I can dance in it, but also does have elastic in the back, so it's actually really comfortable. You can definitely sit down in it, move around in it, and it's just such a stunning piece. Next up is this really beautiful icy blue strapless dress, and this one is actually a really thick material, so you can wear shapewear underneath it, but you don't necessarily have to. It is really a thick, stretchy material, and I love that it's so stretchy because it's actually so comfortable. It has a slit in the back, so you can easily sit down and move around in it. Such an elegant piece, and I've been really drawn to strapless dresses recently, and this one feels really secure as well. But this is such a gorgeous, form-fitting dress. They have it in a bunch of different colors, but I thought that this blue was really beautiful for the spring and summer. Next up is this really beautiful dark mauve dress, and I really love this color. I think it's so pretty. It has a bunch of really beautiful details like this ruffle in the front, this rose here as well, and then it has this really great asymmetrical, almost like high-low design with this slit down the front. It has really good movement, but it feels really light. So this would be a great dress for warmer weather, but I think the color is so pretty. Next up is this beautiful butter yellow dress. This is actually from Target. It's $32, which is an unbeatable price for a wedding guest dress, and it is in the trendiest color of the season, which is this beautiful pale yellow. It's so stunning. It has these little bows on the sleeves, and it also comes in another color, which I will show you guys next, because yes, I got both colors. I love the silhouette of this, the plunging neckline, the little flutter sleeves. It's so gorgeous, and again, $32. You're not gonna beat this price. This is that same dress, but in this really beautiful, almost like emerald green. It's right between like a green and a blue, but such a beautiful color. It has black bows to it, same fit, same design, but I just love these colors for the spring and summer. Next up is this beautiful dress from Quince. I've shared this brand a lot on my channel, but they seriously have some of the best affordable pieces that are really good quality. So this is actually a silk dress, but it's their washable silk. So I have actually washed this 3 times already because I wear it with my daughter, and as you guys know, if you have babies, they spit up, they get their hands all over you, and so having a piece like this that feels really nice that you can throw in the wash is amazing. And so this is $89. Comes in so many different colors, especially like light neutrals, spring colors, but I went with this really beautiful maroon print, and I absolutely love this dress. It's so comfortable. It feels really nice. You can dress it up or dress it down, so you can wear it to nicer weddings or wear it more casually, but I think it is such a good piece, especially if you want to wear it throughout the year. It's such a good, easy throw-on dress, and the fact that you can wash it is amazing. Next up is this beautiful floral dress. This is also from Petal & Pup, and I love how much good movement this one has. I would classify this one as a formal dress as well, or black tie even, because it is a full-length dress. I absolutely love the fit of it though, and it actually has a crisscross tie in the back, which I thought was actually going to be a lot harder to get on by myself than it was, but I actually got it on pretty easily. So you can tighten it as much as you want, which I really like. I feel like it fits really well throughout the body, and then it has so much good movement in the skirt. It's so fun to twirl in, to move in, and I just love all the extra fabric that it has. It has a slit down the side as well, and then the top of it is almost like this corset style with the boning in it. It's just really flattering, and I think it's such a stunning dress. Next up is this gorgeous strapless dress, and it's in this beautiful dark sage green. I am obsessed with this little scarf accessory. I feel like it really just elevates the dress, makes it look more dressed up. If you don't like the scarf, obviously you can easily remove it. It is a strapless dress, but it does come with really thin attachable spaghetti straps if you do want to have some straps. I think it's just so beautiful though. I love a good silky style dress, and then again, because it has the little scarf, it just feels trendy and a little little bit more elevated, and I would definitely wear this style. Let me know down in the comments if you would try out the neck scarf, but I think it really just adds to the look. Next up is this really fun polka dot dress. I will note this one has a pretty high slit on the leg, so if you don't like that, I'd maybe pass on this one, but I really love all the drapey fabric. It's got this really beautiful cowl neck, and I really like how it's cinched at the side, so it just feels really beautiful. It drapes really nicely. I do think it comes in another color, but I really loved this polka dot. I think it's super fun, especially for the summer, but it's such a gorgeous dress. I love that a lot of these dresses from Abercrombie come in petite, so if you are a little bit shorter, they do have shorter length dresses, which is really great, and I think this one is super flattering. Next up is this floral dress, and this is probably one of the most comfortable dresses that I have shown you guys. It just doesn't cling anywhere, so it only comes in around the bust, but the rest of the dress is very, very flowy, and so it's super comfortable. I've just got it on with sticky boobs. I feel like it has enough coverage, but it has a little bit of a plunging neckline. I love the flutter sleeves as well, and then it's just a really beautiful floral print. This next dress is so gorgeous. It's from one of my favorite brands right now, Cezanne, and they make some of the most beautiful pieces, really high quality, and I love a dress like this because I feel like it's nice enough to wear to a wedding, depending on how you style it, but you could also wear it throughout the year, so you're gonna get a lot of wear out of something like this. It is one of the shorter dresses that I'm showing you guys. I don't have a lot of short wedding guest dresses in this video, but this is one of those pieces that I think can definitely pass for a more casual spring wedding, and again, you can wear it all year round, and I think it's just a beautiful piece to add to your wardrobe. I love all the detail on it. It's got these really beautiful buttons down the front and on the sleeves, and it just has so much good movement. It does have a lot of extra fabric, so there's a good amount of airflow, and I feel like it's just a really beautiful, elegant dress. Next up is this really beautiful ice blue asymmetrical dress. It has this little tie in the front, this panel of fabric that goes over the bust, and I just love the way that it drapes. It's super pretty. It comes in a bunch of different colors, but I think this light blue is just really pretty for the spring. It is a more lightweight dress, so this would be perfect if you're going to a really warm wedding outside, but I just love how light and airy this fabric looks. Next up is this beautiful button-down dress, and again, I love this really rich mauve color. It's got this great tie in the front and then buttons all the way down. The collar is also really nice, and I just think this is such an elegant dress. You could wear it to a wedding, but then also you could wear it year-round, and just such a great piece. It also has pockets, so it's super functional, and I just love the fabric of it. It moves really beautifully. But those are all of the dresses for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it helpful. Like I said, everything will be linked down below in the description box and also in the blog post, along with my sizes. You can find all of that information there. But if you liked this video and you found it helpful, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what your favorite dress was. And if you happen to be new here and you want to stick around for some more videos, I do tons of styling videos, so be sure to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next one really, really soon. Bye guys.